Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open TikTok app. Then go to your profile. On your profile page, you will see your username and a drop-down menu located at the top of the screen. Click on the drop-down and select Add Account. Afterwards, you will be redirected to the Sign Up page. If you want to create a new account, you can do it either by using your phone number or your pre-existing accounts on Facebook, Apple, Google, or Twitter and connect to TikTok automatically. But if you already have another existing TikTok account, click on the Login option located at the bottom of the page and provide your user credentials. You may be prompted to add and verify your phone number, but you can also skip it for the meantime. Whenever you want to verify your phone number, you can always configure it, anytime on the app settings and privacy. After logging in, TikTok will automatically switch to your newly added account on the drop-down menu. You can easily identify which account is currently active according to the check symbol next to a particular username. Now you can easily switch between accounts by simply tapping on the other username and from the drop-down menu. You can also access the Switch Account menu on your settings and privacy. Scroll down to the bottom until you reach the Login section and select Switch Account. From there, you will see the exact same functionality as I have shown earlier for adding another account. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.